Hi, I'm Linda Bratten of Linda Bratten Creations and a national educator with Baby Lock. Quilting on the Edge is a virtual program in which I share my love of machine quilting with templates or rulers for your domestic sewing machine. This workshop features the Baby Lock Wesley exclusive ruler set available through your local Baby Lock dealer. During this virtual event, I will demonstrate how to properly set up your machine to use the ruler foot, how to use and care for the templates or rulers included, and tips and tricks for success, inspiring you to use these quilting motifs on a variety of projects. I'll also share products that I love to use to make this skill easier to attain. By the end of the program, you will know how to use all the rulers included in the set and be given the instruction to create 2 quilted blocks that feature these exclusive rulers. I hope you will join me and explore just how fun and addictive quilting with rulers or templates can be. In addition, I'm going to share samples to inspire you to use this technique to finish your own projects waiting to be quilted. I'll also share samples created with other Baby Lock rulers or templates that are available. And since it's virtual, you can learn from the comfort of your own home. To find out when my next Quilting on the Edge event will be sure to subscribe to my monthly newsletter, Linda B. Creative. You can find the link on my website, lindabrattencreations.com. I'd love to see you at my next event, and I hope to inspire you to start creating and quilting with this exclusive ruler set.